Hello everyone. My name is Iram and I live in Kuwait. So I would just like to tell you something about Brain Excellence Lab. During this time of pandemic, thankfully I found about Brain Excellence Lab through YouTube. And as soon as I found about it, I registered with them for courses. First of all, I did midbrain activation, then NLP. After that, I went to Dmit, and right now I'm learning memory champions and speed reading with them. So, what is the difference between Brain Excellence Lab and all the other people who are teaching such courses? Is that first of all, Mr. Deepak is an excellent teacher. He is a very kind-hearted person and a down-to-earth person. His main priority is not only getting done with the course, but it is that he really sees to it that you get the deep knowledge of whatever is being taught, and you start implementing those things in order to change your life. It has helped me a lot. First of all, the midbrain activation has helped me in regulating my sleep patterns, because I was not able to sleep very well during the nights. But since I have done midbrain activation, now I can sleep properly. And top of all, I am much more relaxed throughout the day. I'm teaching my kids, children, midbrain activation at the moment, so it will help them relax as well and deal with their emotions. Then we have NLP. NLP is basically neuro linguistic programming, and what I have found is that NLP is a great tool in understanding yourself and people around you, whether it's your husband, your children, how you can deal with them. Before doing NLP, because due to pandemic, the kids are not going to school, they are at home, constant fightings, and this creates a great stress environment at the home. So when I started doing NLP and how Mr. Deepak taught me the strategies and methodologies to implement on my children, trust me, their fighting level from 100 has reduced to only 10%. Even if they have some sort of fightings among them, I don't come to know about it, because they are able to resolve the fightings and issues between them. So the environment within the home is much more calm, much more peaceful. Even for myself, I don't throw tantrums now very often, which I had issues with anger management, but now it's much more relaxed. And because I'm able to understand and convey my point to my husband and my children, so the environment has totally changed. Then DMIT, it's a unique course. It has helped me to learn my inborn abilities and talents along with my children's inborn abilities and talents that they have been born with. So it has helped me to help them learn the way they have been created, because some of us are visual learners, some are auditory, some are kinesthetic, so the same rule does not implement on all of us. So it's a very great way for parents to learn all these, whether it's midbrain activation, NLP, or DMIT. These are great tools in nowadays to help parents overcome the issues, whether it's behavioral issue, is related to your child's career, study issues. You should learn them so you can help your children grow into better human beings. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak. Sir, you are not only a coach, but you are a life-changing mentor. And I really thank you for helping me change my life and helping me become a better person. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.